Hey, if you want to enable FPS info on your games with the GeForce Experience, all you have to do is just to click on this icon to open the in-game overlay. And now you will have to click on the settings icon. And then from here, click on the HUD layout. And now you will have to click to turn on the status indicator and pick the position. In my case, I'm gonna put it in the right upper corner and then select performance. Also set the position for the performance. And from here, you will have to actually enable FPS, but you can also get the latency basic. You can also find here the FPS info, but if you only want to get the FPS, just click right here. And after this, it will be turned on when you power on your game. And if you are looking for the shortcut, how to quickly turn it on and off, so we can go for the keyboard shortcuts. And from here, you can also get this custom overlays. So that's actually Alt plus F5 button. And from here, we've got also the another toggle performance overlay, that's Alt and R. And as you can see from here, we can actually pop the toggle performance mini or performance overlay. So from here, we can set up some buttons. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.